Guys, we're gonna check out this video. It's called 4 minutes of SpongeBob characters getting exploded. Okay, we're gonna check this out. So let's begin now. Bro, that was a classic episode, bro. Damn, thick. Bro, what the fuck? Gary don't care. Gary don't give a shit. Damn. Oh my god. No, seriously though. How did that TNT get lit? Was it lit the entire time? And if it was lit, why did the paper not light? And they're underwater. So, you know what? I'm not gonna be like some scientist or something and try to figure all this out. Just work with it. Bro, this episode is one of the funniest episodes ever. Bro, I laughed so much. I forgot what the episode name, but I laughed so much in it. It was funny as shit. Oh, some of these are a new episode. Oh, bro, you guys, this episode is funny as shit. I actually reacted to this episode. Where did he put the money though? He put the money somewhere. You know what? He put it in the seahorse ass, bro. It must be, because where else would you put it? It gotta be in his ass. No wonder why he got like a nuclear kick. Bro, this shit is funny, bro. Bro, this is crazy. Bro, I think SpongeBob is one of the only cartoons that have so much nuclear explosion, bro. And someone said, where Bikini Bottom is one of the islands that they used to do the nuclear test at. So probably that's why. I don't know. Could be. Could be. Oh, you guys probably wondering why I'm wearing this shirt. It's actually Valentine's Day, so I'm actually reacting to this on the 14th of February. So I might put this video out tomorrow, which is the 15th or the 16th. So that's why I'm actually wearing this, just to go with the, you know, the Valentine's thing. Holy shit. Bro, seriously, did Scooter have a bomb on him or something? How the hell did he explode? I could understand the other one where he fall off the cliff a lot of times, but this was just a short cliff, bro. There was no form of explosive on Squidward, or was there though?
I would like to be a terrorist.
Bro, this is actually insane. Wait a minute. Patchy? Yo, damn, Patty. Betrayed Patchy like that, bro. That's crazy. You know what? I know that Bird had it out for Patchy a long time ago, bro. He's not trustworthy. Holy shit. Oh, she's so funny. Seriously, why do they always build these cars and headquarters with self-destruction button? No other person better to do it than freaking Doofusberg from Finish and Ferb, bro. What a dummy, bro. Holy shit. Oh shit. This must be a new episode. I've never seen this one before. Yeah, this is definitely a new episode. No, wait, no. Holy shit. Bro, this is one of the best one. I think this is from the Bandcamp episode. Bro, that's one of the best episode ever. I think that's the main video on my channel too. If you guys find my channel, that's gonna be one of the top videos on my channel, the Bandcamp episode. This clip is funny. Dude. Damn, that's crazy. All right, guys, this is the end of the reaction video.